Welcome. Check out SCI Materials Hub's AvCarb carbon paper. It's the ultimate high-performance substrate for your advanced electrochemical systems. Why choose it? It offers incredible mechanical strength, ultra-low resistance, and optimal porosity to guarantee peak performance in any harsh environment. See it in action. Its unique 3D micro-network flawlessly balances gas and liquid transport while providing a lightning-fast highway for electrons. Check out the specs. Whether you need the highly permeable EP series or the ultra-robust P series, we have the perfect fit. How to choose. Grab the EP models for fuel cells and CO2 reduction, or the dense P models for electrolyzers and flow batteries. Where can you use it? It's an absolute game changer for cathodes and GDLs. Just remember, strictly avoid using it on PEM anodes. A crucial lab tip: strictly avoid prolonged ultrasonic cleaning to protect the fibers. Always store it flat in a dry, dark environment. Need custom TFE coatings or MPLs? We've got you covered. Contact SCI Materials Hub today to upgrade your electrochemical research.